Hello guys, yeah, welcome back again to Lydia TV show. It's your girl Lydia, as you all know. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for this video. Turn also the notification button on so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. So guys, in today's video, we are celebrating Mommy Dilly. Yes, I call her Mommy Dilly. And also another person called Stephanie too. Yes guys, these two great women are born on the same day. Wow, this is so good. This is special. Two great women, an actress and a motivational speaker, a marriage counselor, born on the same day. Wow, this is really good. So guys, join me today as we celebrate these two great women as they enter their new age. May blessings never depart from them. May joy never depart from them. May they keep impacting lives. Whatever thing they touch will continue to be blessed. Let them keep impacting us. Let them keep motivating us. Let them keep doing their best to give us the best advice that we can take. So guys, as I said, today is their birthday. Please drop a happy birthday to them on the comment section, and thank you very much. Hey, my people, oh, we have news today. Our first daughter, Brenda Bia, has come again with another gist, guys. You guys know now. When I know no, whatever thing that Brenda say, na boom. Brenda just the kind of move na boom boom small. I say they bombarded with it all day. So guys, Brenda Bia don't go for Instagram. He go do it live. They talk plenty to them. Till we catch me that part where Brenda Bia call papa say kunkuma. My people, oh. So Brenda Bia actually know say some people there they call it pass say kunkuma. So for this video, he recognize the fact say Ipa in name to na kunkuma we period don't get for social media. See my people, if you don't see no, you never call that person kukuma no. Keep calling it. Brenda Bia already call her to say kukuma. If you don't catch you say Brenda Bia to not call say kukuma. I beg my people, I beg. Now not go call her so selling the autos that call her kukuma. They can't catch you now. I beg. I don't mind. Now because I power, so we would not be picking there. My people, I beg. Now leave my laugh small. The thing sweet me today. Today call papa to say kukuma. See, I go leave the video now. It go play on. I go hear am for na on mouth too. As they call it pa kunkuma. Then again, another thing catch me for inside the video. He talk say in grandma maybe don't tell you say in papa no be Paul Bia. Say in papa na Churchill. Some late man they call say late Churchill. Ha. Now what I name na cheer Brenda something. My people, you don't bad. See, when I watch the video first with the cap.
My grandmother, that is the last word she told me is Brenda, you old enough. She was telling me, Maman Rosette. Elle me disait, tu es assez grande Brenda pour mettre ta maman Claire et maman bébé. Tu es assez vieille pour enlever ces enfants vampires de ta mère. Elle voyait mon père, elle voyait la photo de mon père, elle faisait... La go, là, parce qu'elle faisait, elle voit la photo de mon père, elle dit que je sais que c'est ton père. Après, elle fait. Ça dit qu'elle a le kunkuma. Lui, on reconnaît, ok. Maintenant, ta mère, elle ne voulait pas que maman Claire et maman Rosette soient si près de ma mère. Que ma mère ne peut pas donner des enfants qui n'ont rien à voir avec. Bon, maintenant, je vais me taire. Et je vais vous dire ceci. Ma grand-mère, une semaine avant sa mort et ses derniers mots sont marqués dans mon esprit, tel un relique égyptien. C'est marqué dans ma tête, je sais que je dois protéger ma mère parce que ma grand-mère m'a dit, écoute, Brenda, grandis, tu la protèges. Elle était au 20 mai, elle était devant, elle pouvait recevoir ses vœux et fuir. Ma grand-mère m'a dit, écoute, elle m'a dit ton père, elle dit Nomgi. C'est-à-dire que tu connais le père là, non, bon, toi tu connais le père là. Sauf qu'elle a dit, écoute Brenda, tu es assez grande, je veux plus voir maman bébé et maman Claire à côté de ta mère.
My people, I hope I don't hear oh. No be for my mop oh. I for Brendan be a mop oh. No be my mop. I never call me something. I never talk no nothing. So I not salon talk oh. I never talk. I never talk. So Brendan be say belle no be star. Me talk to the vexing. Me talk to the mind. Papa name na Kunkuma. Yes, wait you want talk am. Na papa no. So he call am Kunkuma. So now don't hear my people. He got be tell a lot of secret them. Na anyway, brother be don voice am out, so I just bring that small part make I can tell una. Before I go, my people, una know you wan buy? If una no buy, I no go broke una that news so. See, I get plenty news then today wey I wan tell una. If una no buy, una pikin the order o. If that I no go dey bring una news so, my people. I say that news sweet. See, before we go for news una watch the video first. Una watch the close dem so then una choose una own. Una tell me for comment section which one I go ship am for una. Una know say I do shipping worldwide now. If na America a dey, if na Europe a dey, if na Africa a dey, Cameroon, Nigeria, Congo, outside Dubai, wherever you dey you want am ship am for una, just let me know. Na Christmas period this my people. See, I go dey bring una back to back, all kind clothes, all kind shoe, all kind bag. Even na pikin own, just inbox me. If na man pikin own, inbox me. If na your own wey you be woman, inbox me. Anything you want know, just tell me. I get them all. Wholesale, retail, all today. I say lady fashion get them all. You wan hear na say for my mom say I go start blow powder. When I not buy I go blow powder for na case o. When I pikin buy o. When I buy, even though I go blow powder for na case. So my people, I don't see no. Na pikin see am. I say they fine quality to them. I tell that one buy period. Fine to them quality. See, let me bep no. I know the talk I see the pictures and the dress, all the quality it talks and it speaks for itself. My people, if you ever buy for me, I beg when I drop comment under. Maybe no say no, we don't do no fake it. Now original quality, all things speak for itself. So anything you want my people, just let me know. Even if you want buying a carpet, you want buying a furnitures them, the fact as it cannot take my people, just DM me. Even if you're in America or Europe, you want to visit Turkey, inbox me, tell say my sister, I bet pick me for airport, rent me hotel, do me all the kinds of go show me market, my people. I go take you for market. I don't be selfish, I give all thing where you want that for me. The fact as they take it. So my people will go now for news. Thank you. So the news will reach me today, my people. Where I see am for Penjo Baba. Now say for some blogs there, people them really talk say fish don't get accident and so on and so forth. Oh, that motor don't scatter. My people, na no fish though. Fish now winner for this year. Biggie 237. He carry money he get flight for Dubai they give to BB moto. See my people, Nana so way fish with that moto with that money, you don't go accident. And when you know still my people, now fish this for washing point they washed a moto. I saw the glad the jolly. See that's so pure then my people who make some more Congo sir. When I don't say that moto they began for fish so dem be go zoom am. Some place be there for that motor wey e be don crack. See, and dem talk say brand new car. My people, when you hear brand new car, e mean say the motor na yang. But some people go talk say na Japanese motor, third class. So one dey talk say no, na Shinshong. So one dey say no, the motor dey so they pick am for Cameroon. See, all things there so people dey blast the motor. But I saw a fish the glad. Oh, you don't get motor. I'm the owner of a new car. The thing sweet fish. Now anyway, the year now for blogs they say fish don't be ask them that motor. We say ha. Me too. I watched Melogist in video now so I say man I go here to sort this whether one or two bloggers not talk about them. Before now, Melogist that they talk say no. Some comment section day for day where people the batch that other flatmate them people talk say they know what is happening to fish, they know what they have done. I was like, seriously? So that's so comment section be the hot. I said okay man go peep too now before I did people all the comment section Noni White Patient Clementon they say una can't talk to una don't do fishing motor, una can't tell it to una don't do fishing motor. You don't know the power of the tongue. They be talk all kinds of things inside that biggie house. So oh, if fish win we go do it so. If fish win we go do it so. Now, never make 1 month. Fish don't get accident. Motor don't do this, it don't go down. All fingers are pointing on them. Wait to get for learn and for the lesson, my people. It means say but we learn how to control our mouth. No be all thing, no be all Congo side that we go for talk am. Because of one day you talk am so you go put inside hole, and when you fall inside that hole, you no fit comot. My people, this thing get a lesson. We go for learn how to control our tongue, control the warm up so put on to talk all the kind things so threaten people their lives. Very bad. Very, very bad, my people. So now, I don't go Pedro Baba in this thing. I want to say, hey, my people, he say, no, fish is safe, oh. It's not an accident, oh. I will go bring una the gist later. Okay, my people, I will say, okay, when you wait now. When they bring gist, nobody will bring until for una. Until that happen. So, now the letters that, oh, we don't take place in few hours then so. I say, wait till again if I not talk the thing. Up here on you talk and now will be me. I get for talk and too. Mu put am up inside the thing. Mu know where to be. Mu know to the happen for fish. I beg Pedro Baba can't update we. Mu know you are here the issue. We get for year and so talk am. Can't tell we. I hope so. Our celebrity they fine. Yes, because we be worried now. So you know can't tell us no be accident. Now so we dey contemplate whether na one or two things or na enemy now don't can't make a fish. Bad boys them don't can't bobok in moto. Oh na say what don't happen. See we need update. I beg. Can't tell everything don't happen for our celebrity, our biggie winner. We get for no because he's a celebrity now, my people. Even before I enter that house, he don't get fan base, so it's a big celebrity. We get for talk anything will happen for fish. My people, that's that will happen today. I see my big for honor. If you don't watch the video up to this level, I say I don't do na fine thing. I beg, just subscribe. Click that red subscription button for there. Just beam subscribe. You turn on that notification button, that bell with it for there. So turn and so bring me tick. Yes, then you go like this video. The additional one I say wait, you just go share this video. See, wait till we gain it for not gist. My people, wait till we gain it for not talk. That's that happen today. I see my bring for order. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and share it. See you guys in my next video. I will bring an update later.